Are you familiar with X-ray? Ever wondered how the images of our inner parts are formed? Well, let us show you. An X-ray tube uses a heated filament to raise the energy of atomic electrons high enough to release them from their atoms. Therefore, a process known as thermionic emission will occur. Free electrons will accelerate from the cathode towards the anode to produce X-ray. This will produce two types of X-ray, which are characteristic radiation and Bremsstrahlung radiation. X-ray will then exit through a window and strike a patient's body. Some X-rays will attenuate while others will penetrate through the patient's body and strike the image receptor. Thus, an image with different shades of gray will be produced on the X-ray film. Several factors will affect the contrast of the image or the difference in the degree of grayness. Soft tissues have relatively small atomic number and mass density. Hence, X-rays are able to penetrate easily, forming a gray color. On the other hand, bones have high atomic number and mass density. Therefore, X-rays are homogeneously absorbed by bones, forming a white color. Meanwhile, barium is a type of element which has a very high atomic number and density. When used during a swallowing test, it will help to show the image of the GI tract clearly by producing a high contrast image compared to soft tissues. Next, for patients with thin tissues, X-rays are able to penetrate through the patient easily, thus producing a higher contrast image. While with thicker tissues, X-rays will attenuate, thus decreasing the image contrast. At higher kVp, the penetration power will be greater. This will allow the penetration of tissues to have less attenuation. High kVp is normally used at the chest area. On the other hand, lower kVp has lower penetration power. This will produce an image with high contrast due to attenuation, and low kVp is normally used at the abdomen area.